Hangout. Today's recipe is perfect comfort combo, that is chicken sambar and spicy chicken fry. Our chicken sambar is full of flavor, made with soft chicken and simple spices. Along with that, we are making spicy chicken fry that is super delicious and easy to prepare. So without any delay, let's get started. First, for the masala paste, add grated off coconut in a mixer jar. Add roughly chopped one onion, 1 and a half inch ginger, roughly chopped, 1 whole clove of garlic, 2 inch cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, half teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 tablespoon of puff gram, 2 tablespoon of homemade chicken sambar powder. If you don't have sambar powder, you can use 2 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 and a half tablespoon of coriander powder and handful of fresh coriander leaves. Add little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Now for the chicken sambar, take a kadai, add 2 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 sliced onion, saute it lightly. Now I am going to add 500 grams of chicken pieces. Mix it lightly. After a minute, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Saute it lightly. Now close the lid and let it chicken to cook for around 10 minutes with medium high flame. After 10 minutes, you will see the chicken has released some water. Now add the masala paste. Before that, take 2 spoons of masala paste and keep it aside for the chicken fry. Keep the flame on low and add masala paste. I have added a little water to the mixer jar to rinse off all the leftover masala paste and mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt and mix it again. Adjust the quantity of sambar according to your taste. Then cover the lid and let the sambar cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken is nicely cooked. Now gently separate the chicken pieces for chicken fry. Let's take out the chicken pieces from the sambar and strain off the excess gravy. After separating the chicken, close the lid and let the sambar boil for 2 more minutes. And at this stage, add water depending on the quantity of the sambar. If you want, you can increase it accordingly. Now our chicken sambar is ready. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and turn off the stove. Next, to make the chicken fry, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 sliced onion and mix it lightly. Now add 2 slit green chilies and saute for about 30 seconds. Now add crushed ginger and garlic. Here I have taken a half inch of ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, or you can use ginger garlic paste also. Saute on medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the masala paste that we had prepared earlier. Stir continuously until the raw smell disappears. Now add little water and mix it again. When the oil starts to separate from the masala, add the chicken pieces that we kept aside earlier. Mix well so the chicken is fully coated with the masala. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. At this point check for seasoning. If you want you can add. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt here. That's it, our chicken fry is done. Just garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Our delicious flavorful chicken sambar and chicken fry are now ready to be served nice and hot. The aroma is amazing, the flavors are rich, and it tastes absolutely mouth-watering. This combination goes perfectly with rice, roti, or dosa. The chicken fries come out so well. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.